Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas with a bit of black paint on the top, and I have some leftover paints from a pour I just did, which I'm over the moon about. It's absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, and so I thought with the rest of these paints I might just do a bit of a ring pour. There's no silicone, no Floetrol, and I'm just going to use the same black cup that I put these on, so that's what I'm doing, putting some paints in to do a ring pour. And some of them, oops, I don't have a lot of some of them, so they're going to be scritched and scratched out, and just to make enough, I think. And I don't much care if it doesn't go right to the edges, because I have a piece of tubing there and I might just leave the black around. It might look quite effective. It usually does. Some pink, once again, wants to be helped out. Come on, pink. And I like that pink, it's quite nice. Not that I'm a pinky person, nor am I a greeny person either, but you know, some colours are just pretty, and that's that. Alright, some dark blue. Ooh, that's even less. Alright. Not going to be much of a ring, I don't think, so that I'm glad I got my tubing over there, because the colours really are beautiful, lovely and bright. You'll find, I don't know if I said the recipe for the colours and the pouring medium under show more, just below this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come join us if you so wish. Hear my canaries upstairs. I'm sure he screeches louder when I'm downstairs, but he's beautiful. So that's the last of the red as well. I'm getting through these colours. Oh, it's good because you know, you can end up with too many leftover colours. I do like to use them up where, you know, ASAP sort of. And the green, of course, can just probably have too much green, but that'll be okay. I'll scratch him out too. Right. So, kind of pretty. Alright, I'll take it from this side and straight in the middle, eh? Just a dead set, tip it out, ring pour, and as I thought, I've got a lot of green. Oh well, I have to stretch it out yet. Might find the other colours yet, mightn't I? Let me put some of this here. Right. Now for a bit of a tippy. If I stretch him around so that I have the colours here. And then maybe if I have to, I can tip some of the green off, but I don't know about tipping anything off at this particular point in time. Take it over this corner first, I think. There's not a lot of paint. There's less on there than I thought I actually had. But there we go. Now I'll bring him over to this corner. Yes, he's moving. That down here. And take it over this way. Too much. Come over. Can't afford to waste it. There we go. Come on, down you come. It doesn't want to, does it? Not really. But I quite like that anyway. So, I might bring him back to this corner, if you'll be so kind. Add some more colour there. That he's moving. Alright, well he's not moving. So I'll just wipe my hands off and get my little trusty, not you. Right, no, that's not working for me. So, I might have to just turn you off for a minute and mix some more paints, rather like that bit. And I'll just mix a few more colours and then I'll be back in a second. Okay, we should be set now. I've just mixed up some more colours. I've mixed up red, pink, yellow and pale blue. So I'm just going to quickly pour them in and sequence another one or two maybe. I used the same cups and they've got paint on one another. That's okay. And the blue and some red. Right, now I'll just scratch these colours onto the top once again, and this time I will just hope that I have enough paints. I didn't know that I was going to run out. I thought it would be close, but I was a mile out, so that blue and yellow. I've just mixed and made a little bit of motley green, which is okay. And trying to be fast. Right, and maybe a tad more pink, but I don't know. Alright, that'll do you. That's all the pink you're getting. Right, so I might start over here. Put a little ringy. And then another one over here. I'm not being too fussy about, you can have some more colour, about the shapes and that, because I'm going to tilt it. And, oh yes, the colours really are pretty. Maybe that one in the middle. Put this one last. Like a rainbow in the cup. Okay, we should have enough paint on there now. So let's pick up where we left off. Oh yes, you can see how they're beautiful. I decided there was enough green on there that I probably didn't need to mix any more of that. I think I'll take it over to that corner. Watching carefully so I don't lose everything again. And I don't mind if that green stays in the centre, between them, because it really is quite pretty. You can come over. How are you doing? I should use that edgy catcher. I have a drier one here. I say drier, I don't know that it is. And just do this so I can bring the colours down. They just run along and then they come back and you get a whole different, absolutely different pattern when you do that. And yes, that is beautiful. Down here, come on people, you can do this. This is going to be one pretty little painting. If anyone's interested in purchasing any of my paintings, you'll find my email address underneath Show More, underneath this video, and just email me and tell me the name of the painting or whether or not you're interested in any of the cards I make, and we can take it from there. Come on, down, come on. This is an unnatural stance. Okay, back over. You see the wave of paint go down, which is always, silence. I'll just put this on here because I'm not going to let that kerfuffle beat me. No. Now, start again. Over that way. And down. Well, now I do have extra colours, don't I? Because it kind of made a purple, which I didn't have before. And here's a lump. Get out, lump. I'll grab him in a second. Just want these lines here to come down because I rather like them. Alright, now lump, where are you? Do not be bothering me. I'm no longer in the mood. Where are you? He's just here somewhere. Can't see him. Maybe it was a bubble. I don't know, but what I am going to do, because this is upsetting me now, is this. Then a little bit this way. A little bit to you. Over here to me. Well, it was. Down you go. And then I'll take that pink down. Right, now the next thing, I really like this, not fussed on that, but it's still pretty, that, just bring some of the colours through him, take him through, not too much, just a little bit, whoops. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, and that one. All right, put some pink up there too. You can go around here. I think that's good. Right, well, after that, what can I tell you? Okay, so that's meant to be now, isn't it? And I'll just wash my hands, I'll give it a torch, and I'll bring you down to have a look. Right, I've got that off my hands, mostly, some of it. That's very pretty. And I'll bring you down, we'll have a little look at it together. This is what I was seeing. It's really bright. And as I said, no cells, simply because there's no chemical reactions to be had, which is what I wanted. This one and the one before have to have a little change sometimes, and I really like them. The one before I didn't splotch into with the catcher, so but oh well, that's the way the things go. So thank you very much for watching, and please come across to Australia Art Dreaming, and I'll see you in the next video. And please, please, please give this video the thumbs up. Bye for now.